Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, All Languages Made Easy. My name's Sid and I'll be teaching you the Sylheti language. It has an alphabet script, but it is not in use. But nonetheless, I'll be teaching you the alphabet along with the Roman transliteration to make it easier, step by step. I'll be teaching you in today's class the 5 vowels. It has 5 vowels on top. So all the letters, they have lines across the top, straight across. First letter A, diagonally across right to the corner, right hand corner, and then a second line down straight to the bottom. Both lines kind of have a hook on the end, slightly, and the second one, E sound, same again as the previous letter, line across the top, slight line down, half a circle kind of, like that. That's that one. Third vowel, line, same again, line across the top. And this time I kind of like a 3, you do. That is the U sound. The next one, line across the top. Straight line down. And then from the middle you kind of make a kind of like a circle and then curve it round to the top. That is the E sound. And the fifth and final vowel is O. Line across the top. Line straight down. And from the left hand side, a circle, connect it towards the line. And then beneath it, a dot. So that's the U sound. So that's the 5 vowels. So they make this sound just like in English: A, E, U, E, and O, the next letter. So it is A, E, U, E, and O. A, E, U, E, O. There we have it. That's the 5 vowels. The language comes from a place called Sylhet, which is located in the northeastern part of Bangladesh. It comprises of 4 states or districts: Sylhet Town, Sunamganj, Molivi Bazar, and Hobbyganj. Those 4 states it comprises altogether as Sylhet. Although in those 4 states they do have different variations of the language, but I'll be teaching you the standard Sylheti language. So if you liked today's lesson, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for some upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.